I'll just drop you now and head back to the office. I needed to see my wife and I told them that I wanted to go get something to eat. Yeah?
Okay,
Oh.
Let's stop and help her.
What?
Let's stop and help her.
She's obviously looks like someone that's in trouble, but another person will help her. We don't have to be the good Samaritan.
When did you become this headless? When? What is how do I mean? What did the Bible say about helping people? Huh? See, please, this place is dangerous. Let's take her out of here. If anything happens to this girl, I will not forgive you.
Wait, you're not threatening me because of a girl you don't even know?
The job you're doing today, who gave it to you? Who helped you? So why would you stop helping people? Please, let's go back and help her, please.
What? Don't worry. You're okay now. Alright? You're fine now.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's fine. Stop. Alright? I'll take you to your room, then make you relax and get you some change of clothes, okay?
Don't worry, stop crying, okay? My wife will fix something for you to eat. After that, we'll take you to wherever you're coming from.
Yeah.
What? What is it again?
I don't remember anything.
What?
I'm so confused. I don't remember anything. Okay. Babe, yeah? I'm sure she has amnesia. Can she stay with us for a little time? When she gets back her senses, we'll take her back to wherever she comes from.
What? Okay, whatever you say.
Thank you. That's fine.
I have respected you enough. What part of the English language you do not understand? I am not interested in you. Don't you get it?
Clara, you are old enough to get married. Why not give me a chance to make you happy? To show you how much I love you. I will take you around the world.
Is it where you're busy with your business that you will take care of me? Listen, Mr. Paul. I am not one of those girls that gets married and start dressing down. I follow the train. I am freaky. So I know the kind of man I want for myself. Definitely not your type.
I think I know what you want. I just sent 1 million to your account now.
Mr. Paul, Why do you want me in your life?
I love you. Baby, the Muji Jemba. Ijele. The Muji Jemba. I will take you around the world. I'll give you whatever you want. Everything is in my house. It will not work. I want you for occasions.
You must be very stupid to take me as a dummy. Oh, I'm only good for occasions. Mr. Paul, leave my office. Out of my office!
Think about it.
Can you imagine? I'm only good for occasions. I don't blame you.
I am not comfortable with that girl living here with us. I think we should take her to the police station.
Babe, our marriage is just a few months old and God has really been faithful. We have really achieved so much. So helping people or helping anyone, it's no big deal. Trust me. By so doing, God will open more doors for us and give us beautiful children. Trust me, see that girl? My mind is telling me that girl will bring good luck to us. So it's okay. Please.
I give up. You win. Just put your eyes on her. Because anything can happen, you know.
Honey, I know about people with clean hands. Fear no accusations. Or is there anything you're hiding from me?
Hell no.
So here we go.
But I'm hungry.
You're hungry? My honey is hungry. What do you want? I'll fix it right away. Tell me, just give me 5 minutes.
I have successfully entered the house. I'm in one of the rooms now.
That is so nice. Remember, once you are done with the assignment, you will leave this country, make money and take care of your family. Let the game begin.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. You have nothing to worry about. Absolutely nothing. I will surely deliver.
I'm so glad you ate well, alright? Now tell me, did you enjoy your food?
From the day I can remember, I have not eaten for 3 days.
What?
Those guys are heartless. They threatened to kill me if no ransom was paid. I can't remember who to call. They killed so many people for me.
What?
Please, sir. Please, ma'am. I'm afraid to go out from this house. I don't want to die, please.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay. You're not gonna go anywhere now. You're gonna stay here with us. Okay?
My husband and I will take care of you. Right? We will look after you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, stop crying, okay? Stop crying, you're safe now.
And I didn't want to say anything in there because I didn't want her to feel that I do not like her.
Why would you say that? What do you mean by that?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for allowing her stay.
Baby, you don't have to thank me, okay? You know I love you so much, and I will do anything at all that will make you happy. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
You know, I have to hurry back to work, okay? I took permission to come drop you off. I don't want them to start looking for me, okay, my love? And after that, I will have to hang out with my friend Paul.
As usual. Okay, let me walk you to the car.
Okay, baby. Let's go.
My baby girl. Baby. I know you're angry I didn't attend your wedding, but not to worry. You know I wasn't in the country then. It's okay, I promise I will make it up to you. It's a promise. Really? Are you coming over? Yes! Oh, I can't wait to see you, girl. I can't wait. I can't. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
I do not see anything wrong with her decision. Your wife I know recently is not a bad decision maker. Just do this one for her to make sure there is peace in your family.
Well, I already agreed to her request. Good. I just wanted to hear your opinion and see, So, tell me, how is business going?
Oh, very well. But still have some issues. Yes. 4 containers arrived yesterday. Okosisi containers are yet to arrive. So he's very angry with me. Honestly, I don't know what to do.
Wait, are you still having issues with that man? So what did he say is his problem now?
He refused my containers from entering the garage. My boss would have finished uploading my books. It was when I went there, the security boys started begging me that they never knew that the container belongs to me.
Oh, wow.
Very serious.
Oh, wow. That Okosisi is very mean.
Very.
Well, I'm happy for you. Big man. The importer.
You know what I can do.
I love your house. Your kitchen is beautiful, spacious.
Oh, thank you so much, my friend.
You're welcome.
What can I say? I was really happy when you told me you were relocating to my area with your husband.
That was when you were abroad. Now that you're here, I can now enjoy the whole area.
I heard your husband is so cute. I can't wait to see him.
Who told you that? Yes. He is so cute. I know. But I did not marry him because of his cuteness. I married him because he gives me peace of mind. Because you know me, I love peace. I do not love stress, and you know.
The man that introduced me to you said I can do the business very fine.
Of course. Okoro knows me very well. When it comes to marketing and advertisement, I'm the best in that line. So you don't have anything to worry about.
No problem. If you can do the business, more business will be given to you.
That is what I want to hear. You know, bring more business, we'll get more money. You know, anybody that knows me knows that I do my best and I do my best in whatever I'm doing. Thank you.
No, I don't drink juice. I take beer.
Oh, you don't do juice?
No, I take alcohol.
That's no problem. Miriam, please go to my room. In my drawer, you see some money, then go to the next store and get him some beer. Right. So as I was saying, bro, this reminded me like 2 years ago. The same thing you're doing now was the same thing Johnson did. He came to my house, he was like, please, can I help him do this? Can I help him do this? You know Johnson now?
I know Johnson.
Yeah, I was the one that actually marketed his business.
Wow.
And Johnson now is a very big boy.
Now I know Johnson. Now he's a very
That's so
big
much
guy
money.
now. Yeah.
So we don't have anything to worry about.
No problem.
We're going to make money. Good
No
money.
problem.
Okay, I need to go now. You know, my husband is alone and I need to go make food for him. It's getting late.
It's okay. I really enjoyed your company.
I did too.
I wish you can stay away from me.
That's okay. I'll come some other time, okay?
It's okay. What about the girl you saved the other day? Can't she at least make food for your husband?
Wait, are you expecting me to leave my husband for the house girl? You want her to make food for my husband? Girlfriend, no. I am the wife, so I ought to make food for my husband and not my house girl. Excuse me, my shoe on my back. Home I go, up I go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's get to it, let's go. Oh my friend.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
I just brought business for you.
Where's the baby?
Okay, calm down. Why you waiting for me? Calm down.
You remember my baby? I give you 5, 1, where's the baby? 2, where's the baby?
Sawit! Why are you running away?
What is happening to your Oga? Talk now, say something.
We have been suffering this for a long time.
What?
He's
What? Say something now.
He's a drug addict.
Drug addict?
Yes. That is why he doesn't take alcohol, so it won't get worse.
Thank God I did not give him this business.
Sir!
What is going on here? Who is he?
Thank God you arrived early. He brought a business proposal for Oga, but Oga chased him out of the house.
My husband chased him out. What did he do? Because the husband that I married that I know is not violent. So what happened?
Oga came home with a lady who is half dressed. They were kissing in the sitting room. And Oga was acting like someone who is under the influence of something. But I comforted the lady, telling her that Oga is a married man.
Yes.
But she slapped me
She
instead. Then she brought out a white substance. They started inhaling it. Later, Oga started shouting like a madman. I don't know what is wrong with Oga.
Where's my husband? No, where's my husband? Inside. Honey? Honey, what is it? What is going on? What happened to you? What did they do to you? What is it?
What have I done to you? Why are you treating me like this?
What?
You pretend to be my wife, but you are so evil. Why?
Honey, I understand what is going on, okay? I can help you. Let me take you to the bathroom so that you can take a shower.
You can't love me the way she loves me.
Who?
My baby. My baby.
Stop it! Stop it! You're telling me about another another woman right before my face? What? Oh.
Where's my baby?
Oh no. No, baby, don't do it. No, please, I beg you, my phone. No.
Babe, I don't know what happened, but there is no woman anywhere. The last person I saw was Chidi, who was offering me a contract.
You really think I am daft? You think I am daft? Look at my face. Look at what you did to my face. You even mentioned the one beating me. If not for Miriam that called the neighbors, I would have been dead by now. Provide that woman, else there will be no peace in this house. Provide that woman.
But baby, there is no woman. Look at this. You can even ask Miriam. I didn't come home with any woman.
I should ask Miriam. You're not even ashamed to be lying at this your age. You are not.
Babe.
Shame on you.
Babe.
Come on.
Babe, don't allow the devil to break us. There's no woman anywhere.
Provide that woman.
There's no woman, babe. What is going on? What is going on?
Yes. The first plan worked very perfectly. The house is on fire. I am so happy about it. That fool must pay. Always remember to play smart. Do not allow them to catch you. This mission is very important to me. In fact, my life depends on it. I will never allow anything go wrong. It's time for the second assignment. Yes, sir.
Miriam.
Oh.
Did you by any chance see a woman walking here while I was having issues with my wife yesterday?
A woman? No, sir. No woman came to this house.
So why is my wife saying that a woman came in here to give me bad substance?
Maybe she was angry with you and decided to get back at you. But Oga, I wondered what made you behave that way. Which food did you eat last?
It was my wife that brought the food that I ate. That was before Chidi visited. She said it was Chidi that brought the food and...
Oh. Do you now understand where the problem is coming from? I'm sure it's from the food.
Francis, what is the meaning of this? Don't you know that I'm a titled man? Why are you dragging my shirt like this? Chief Paul Chidi, what did you put in my food that you gave my wife? Huh? What are you talking about? I bought 2 plates of food, I gave your wife one, and I ate one.
So, you want me to believe that? You added something in my food that is making me misbehave.
How can I do such? We have been friends for years. How can I do such?
You know, I've been thinking that you're a very good person. But now it's very obvious that you're a wicked man. So you want to kill me. You want to kill me.
You are talking to me. Do you realize that you are talking to me?
Who are you?
Huh? Your best friend.
The one to kill me?
I can't do such.
That is how it happened. The woman in question ran away before my madam returned. I asked you if you're sure about this guy, but you said yes. He gives you peace of mind. Now what is this? Take a look at yourself. These men are animals in human form. What if he had killed you? So he's a drug addict.
Honestly, I know the man that I married. The man that I married does not do drugs. He doesn't drink.
Really?
He does not smoke. I don't know what is going on.
Now let me ask you. How was he able to carry the cocaine he took without running mad? Or haven't you heard, when you take cocaine for the first time, you will run mad? Listen, Isioma, no man is a saint. It's either he's a drug addict, or he's a drunkard, or he's into women. Come on, girl, I don't know how this man managed to wash your brain to this level.
I'm confused right now because I don't know what to believe. I don't know.
See, girl, you need to protect yourself. All this news of men killing their wives, this is how it starts. You need to protect yourself.
See, my friend, you need to listen to me. What you saw that day is not me. You need to understand, I don't do drugs. I am a man of dignity, an honorable man. I cannot do drugs. I don't even understand what happened that day.
Why did your people allow you to be walking around the street? Do you want to buy someone? Eh?
What are you talking about?
They should take you to psychiatry.
What do you mean I should be taken to the psychiatric hospital?
You see that business? You cannot do it.
Why? Chidi, see, I don't know. Hey! Chidi, see, I don't know what happened, but I'm fine.
What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you, yeah. Oh, summer dogs in a manger.
That's my friend I usually tell you about.
Oh, you mean Chidema?
Yeah, her name is not Chidema, her name is Clara.
No,
maybe you're mistaken her for someone else. Her name is Clara.
No, baby, her name is Chidema.
Her name is Clara. Excuse me.
And why are you still following me around? I thought what we had was ended a long time ago.
I wasn't following you around. Just a coincidence, your wife is my friend. I wasn't in the country when you guys had your traditional marriage and white wedding. I never knew you are the husband she talks about.
Now that you have known, can you please stay away from my family? And allow me to enjoy my family in peace?
You know work. No means say we'll be enemies.
And you know how it ended. I don't want a repeat of that. Stay away from my family.
Fine. I will do just that. You're looking so good. You've changed. Looking so handsome. The air that comes out from your nostrils heals my wounds. I can't really say what brought us together, but I know we are not done yet. Remember, I still know how to give you the best romance. So, let's go inside.
I'm really, really sorry. I didn't know what came over me. We have been in this marriage for months now. And we dated for a year. Have you ever seen me act like this before?
A day begins to drama. Change the sea is constant. I need to know, when did you start? When did you start taking banned substances?
Dude, that is what I'm trying to unravel here. The cause of it.
That's why you've been fighting everywhere. Everywhere you go, fighting your friend. Even at your workplace, you are fighting. When did it start?
Babe, I'm sorry. But I want you to help me. Help me find the cause of this. I don't know what is happening to me.
I have forgiven you. But I need to know that woman that brought that banned substances for
you. You mean Chidima?
Here we go. So that's her name, Chidima.
What's the meaning of this? You walk into my office as if you're the one of the office. What do you want?
I paid 3 years rent for you. Did your landlord tell you that?
What guts? Did I beg you to beg for me?
Anyway, my friend provoked me. He fought me in my office. Can you imagine that?
How is that my business?
Anyway, I came to see my girlfriend. If she could talk me out of the mood, if possible, hold my head and scratch it. Yes.
Are you referring to me?
Yes, baby.
Now I understand. It's okay. Alright. Hold on. Okay, turn around. Now move. Move. Keep moving. I don't even want to see you in my office again. Let this be the last.
Baby, I love you.
Love, you're a local man. Go away. Oh!
No. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil.
You're wasting much time. Execute this plan immediately.
I will do it. It's not easy. Once I get the opportunity, I will do it.
Remember, if you delay much, your reward will be delayed equally. Get to work immediately.
Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil.
Baby? Hello. I'm going to work already.
Breakfast is ready.
Oh baby, I'm running late. Okay? I'll eat at the office. Okay? Alright. Baby, I've been wanting to ask you, the girl that came the other day, how do you know her?
I told you she's my friend. I have always known her before I met you. Just that she couldn't come for our wedding, she was out of the country. She said her boyfriend broke her heart. She was suffering from heartbreak.
Oh, really?
Yes. You have asked after her like 3 times. Do you know her from anywhere?
Oh, no, not at all, babe. She looks like someone I know. And that's what I'm asking. All good.
It's okay. Have a nice day, honey.
Kiss me. Take care.
Drive carefully. Yes, fine. Careful. Love you more.
I was shocked. I was very shocked. What happened to you? What did you take?
Oh, it was just a glass of juice.
A glass of juice? Who served you the juice?
No other but Miriam. The little girl that stays with us.
Did you ask or check if she has a hand in it?
I should ask Miriam if she has a hand.
Of course!
Oh, come off it now. Miriam is too innocent for that kind of drama. Have you not seen Miriam before? She's quiet, she's innocent, she doesn't have friends, she doesn't keep friends, she's always in the house, all by herself. Like, I can't be asking her such questions. She can't do something like that.
Francis, did you hear yourself very well? Everyone is a suspect.
Not until my ex came to the house.
Chidimma.
Yes. She came to my house, and the worst part now is that my wife is telling me they are friends. Best of friends. But I don't want that girl close to my space. That is a bad influence to my wife. I don't want her around me.
You have 2 options. Tell your wife the truth, or you make her to stay away from her. I mean, very far from her.
Baby, I'm home. Where's my wife?
There is one chief who always comes to the house to see her. They were in the room together when I left. But later, I saw them driving out. So, Madame said from there, she will see her friend Clara before coming back in the evening.
It's okay.
The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage. Please try again later.
Switched off.
Babe, I do not know what is going on with my husband. I don't know. He has totally changed. All the love and affection he used to shower on me, he has stopped it. Every night when I try to touch him, he tells me he's tired. I don't know what's going on.
Babe, you're the one fueling the problem. Men get jealous when they think they're in competition with another man over their wives or their girlfriends.
So what are you trying to say? I should cheat on my husband, get another man?
No, I'm not saying you should cheat on him. I mean, make him think that you're cheating on him or you're seeing another man when you don't have any.
It's so difficult. Wait. You're my friend. You cannot see me falling into a pit and you allow me fall into it. The last time you visited my house, I saw the shock on your face when you saw my husband. Tell me, do you know my husband from anywhere? Do you know anything about him? Do you know him in the past?
Isioma,
Yes.
I'm sorry to say this, but your husband is a flirt. He can't stay without a woman by his side for 1 week. But people say he has changed because back then when he was in Ibadan, yeah, I know him to be someone that can't stay without a woman, but I believe he has changed, though I doubt it.
Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you, yeah. Oh, some are dogs in a manger. The devil, you know, is better than the angel you done.
And where are you coming from, young lady?
I wouldn't care.
What is this?
Who was the man I visited you today?
It was the contractor and you know about him.
So, did he visit your friend today?
After the contractor left, I was bored. And yes, I visited her.
So, was that the reason you took your boyfriend to my room to make out with him?
What? Me?
Are you that cheap now? Huh? You did! Why are you telling me it's your local boys? Huh?
Do not take my biggest from against God and to your husband again!
Okay, so this is what you want to go to work? You went to my house to sleep with them?
What nonsense! You mean he was pounding you and you did nothing? God, he should thank his God that I'm not the one. I would have given him full dosage of what he deserved. What rubbish!
I don't know what has come over my husband. I don't know. Because I know the husband I married. Man I married cannot even hurt a fly.
He can't hurt a fly, but he keeps hurting you. Listen, girl, you need to do something or even quit that marriage. I need to pay that monster a visit.
Oh no! No. Please, I'm begging you. Do not come. He doesn't want to see you in my house. Not anything close to my house.
Neither will I sit back and watch him kill my only friend. What is this? You know what? When I'm ready, I will pay your house a visit to end this nonsense.
It's okay to just take me home, drop me far away from my house. I'll walk down.
Look at you.
Oh, let's go. Drop me very close to my house. I'll walk down.
It's okay. Are you sure you're fine?
But how can my wife cheat on me? How can she? I warned her against that man from coming to my house. She still had the guts to bring that same idiot to my room. Eh?
Why would she do a thing like that? Did you ask her and she admitted?
Paul, I was asking my wife and she started putting up attitude. She was even trying to walk out on me.
Who told you about that? That your wife brought a man to your house?
What does it mean?
What do you mean by that, Francis?
As I'm talking to you now, the family is on fire. The sweet couple don't greet each other. Thanks for the compliment. I overheard Madam saying she will leave the marriage soon. Ah, you didn't tell me that one. It's not part of our agreement. Oh, I will see what I can do.
Why are you hiding making this kind of phone call? Why didn't you make the phone call inside? And besides, who bought that phone for you?
Who the hell are you to question me? A common gate man. Let today be the last time you will talk this rubbish.
I don't understand. Are you the one talking to me, or is there something inside you that is talking? Look at my Bikodo. This girl that Oga and Madam brought into this house that was forming an innocent. So this is you. This is your true color. I said it. Pretenders, they do the worst. So this is your true color. Okay.
Get out of my face.
Hey. No. Be careful of those you help. Some are so bad. You need to be careful.
Okay.
So what's the good news, contractor?
Here's the file. Go through it.
What a lie.
Yeah, go through it so you understand.
What a lie. What a lie.
God has been faithful. God has been faithful.
Oh, I can't believe this. You made this happen. You made it happen.
You don't need to.
What is going on?
Hey, baby.
Who is this man?
The contractor, he brought a multi-millionaire contract for me to sign.
The same person I want you not to allow to step his feet into this compound again.
No, sir. I only came for her to see through this file so she can understand the terms and conditions.
Really? Yeah. Are you expecting me to believe the Kakambo story? Wait, is this not the same guy that was in the room with you the other day?
No! I beg your pardon.